So today is 12th September, mastermind class on the mind map actually. So the first thing we started is we started discussing on the last Saturday's one-day full workshop, rewire your brain, so that success can come in, especially if you're really struggling with your money and various other aspects. This is one thing that you must attend. So this was a complete one-day workshop. So the focus had been given predominantly on figuring it out. So what is your goal? What is your vision? And what we did on that one-day workshop is quite slightly more deeper in figuring it out, going to a level actually. So what's your social goal? And some of them we did it as a part of our mind map community. But again, we also included few things like, what is your personal goal? What is your social vision? The very important reason why we also started with the personal vision is that, see, basically you can design. Okay, before I start that, Sanjay ji, did you also attend that?
Yeah, I was there in the last session,
Okay.
complete one-day session.
Yeah.
I think my query was about this amount that has to be paid now, or am I part of this 21-day program or not?
Okay, I think in your case, it's a special case. Probably I'll do one thing. As soon as this mastermind is over, I'll give you a call. We'll discuss on that. Okay, sir? Sure, right. Okay, now the thing is, what we did was we went to the step-by-step approach of what is your personal vision, what is your, social vision, and how exactly you should look at. See, the idea is that if you can define how you want your life to be in the future, right? Maybe in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the line. And if you can put that first together and then start building your life according to it, then you can have a dream life that you want to do it actually, because the dream life never exists. You got to create it. And you have to create it with the manner that you want actually, with what you love to do, want to spend more time actually. That's how it should be done actually. So that is how the whole program has been structured. If you can start just following that process, what we are going to cover as a part of that, that itself is a huge thing actually. So before we get started, I want to understand, is there any specific thing that you guys are actually struggling when you are using the mind map? Probably I'll start with that topic first. Have you started the implementation of the mind map? Are you facing, can you switch on the camera? I think that will be really good if you can, because in that way I'll be able to connect you better. Yeah, thank you, Sanjay ji. Yeah, Vimal ji. Okay, so probably still trying to get this one. Sanjay ji, have you started using the mind maps? Are you facing any challenge in using the mind maps? Because I still recall.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. How is your experience?
Yeah, good, sir.
Yeah. Have you started implementing in your, in your company or other stuff, how you can actually convert this into in terms of process and other stuff?
Not completely, sir. Very little.
Okay.
But I want to implement it completely.
Okay. So then probably because, we can focus on that today. I'll tell you the technique, how you can actually implement in your company. Okay. So
Sure.
how you can build the process and other stuff. Yeah. Bimal, how about you? Have you started using it? Bimal ji?
Yeah, I was only answering, sir. So
Okay. I thought it was Sanjay who was answering. Okay, fine. Very nice. Okay. Now, so do you need any help actually with respect to the implementation of any things?
Yeah, basically the starting problem itself is there. So yeah.
Starting problem, I like that, because anybody who comes to our class, if they have starting problem, we'll not wait till the end, we'll make them to work right away. Okay, now because you got a starting problem, let's break that thing, and we'll start working on this. Okay, tell me, what is your challenge? We'll do it right away. So in which angle, I mean, or which section that you are having a problem?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And also I'll hear from Sanjay sir also, Sanjay ji, so that I can club both of them and then get started with this. Yeah, Sanjay ji. Okay, I think he's having some challenge with the connection probably. Yeah, Sanjay ji, let us know once you want to actually have a discussion. Feel free to let us know. Okay, so I'm going to get started with. Okay, Vimal Arora, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's put this here. What is stopping you? Starting trouble is okay. When you say starting trouble, there are multiple reasons why you will have a starting trouble, right? Basically, one is you don't know, or probably you're not confident about using this, or you have some lack of clarity. Okay, lack of either it can be lack of clarity, or it could be lack of knowledge that you have got, or lack of confidence, or
We can say lack of confidence, sir.
okay. This is the most easiest thing to fix, especially when it comes to mind map. Okay, so
Okay.
do you have a paper and pen ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's do one thing. Out of all these things, which is the one which is taking maximum amount of time in your day-to-day life? And that you want to simplify, or which is the most pain point? Are you been doing it continuously for hours together, but you feel that there's nothing that is coming out? Hello, can you hear me, Bimal? Okay, there seems to be some issue with the network, so we'll just wait for a few minutes for them to join back. Yeah, while we are waiting, I'm going to stop the recording for a minute. Just a minute. So now let's break the barrier. This is very important, because many times we would have gone through a lot of things, but we don't know how to implement. So now let's break that barrier, because until you start breaking this barrier, you'll not get the maximum out of it, right? So now we'll start with one area where we can implement the mind map right now. Okay, so let's start with where exactly you are spending most time, or you feel that this is one area that is actually causing me a lot of trouble.
So actually, sir, now the thing is, I have actually left my job and I want to get into full time this thing, coaching for spoken English and communication and everything. So I want to make that complete course on the mind maps. So I would need your help and this thing, clarity for that. So if I can do that, then it would be very, very easy. So, and even like, the other daily task lists that somehow actually, if I'm able to make on the mind maps, so it would be very easy for me to actually, chalk out my entire day and function in a proper way.
Okay, very nice.
Because now everything is happening in a very haphazard way.
Correct. Fine. So we'll do that. Take up one note, one paper or anything that you're looking at. Similarly, Sanjay ji is back and Anand ji is also there in the call. Yeah, can you actually tell us some of the pain points or where you need specific help, Anand ji and Sanjay ji? Probably we'll focus our mastermind session on those topics. Rather than me telling, what I want to, give you the details that you need actually. Anand, can you switch on your camera? It will be really good. In that way, I'll be able to connect you better.
What I think is that the kind of exercise we did in the one of the first sessions were about how to plan a holiday. If you can give us some exercises like that, and then maybe we can show you what we have done. That will help us in understanding the whole thing more appropriately. As I was telling you, after the first session, my uncle had some problem with one of the relatives. So I had created a mind map and I discussed with him that these are the issues, these are the points where we can touch upon and resolve this problem.
Super. That's good. You never shared me this.
No, I was about to share it now when this link got disrupted.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, so we'll give you some exercise and we'll let you do this because that's an important part, as you were saying. That's why I just want to focus mastermind classes based on each one of you when you're coming in, right? So in that way, rather than me telling something, that is because I can keep on talking, that's a different thing. But when you are there and when we are focusing on your specific problem, then we'll have a best experience that you'll get it. Okay, so now I'm going to this one is a mastermind class on 12th September. Okay. Yeah, Anand, go ahead and ask me what exactly you want to actually, what is your pain point? And then I will take this and then we will do the customization.
So means I have started implementing it on regarding my business purpose.
Very nice.
Yeah, I got some new idea on my one startup, and based on that, I am using the mind map, wherein I am getting to know, after using the mind map, I am getting to know how to proceed and what are the customers to reach. So never I got such an idea. So here it is helping me to how to approach the customer and what are the different fields. Means what are the different categories of customers to whom should I approach. So it is helping me in that way.
Very nice.
Means I am just using it, and right now I don't have any doubts.
Okay. So no problem. So basically, you're already using this with the customers, and I mean you are able to get this one more clarity now, right? With the way you're actually operating. So I mean, once you started using, what kind of difference it made? Can you just explain us so that everybody can also understand? See, the idea is that we are building a community. So when you start telling, okay, I use this mind map in this particular area, so other people will also get an idea. Okay, this is how we can implement. This is where this can be, looked at. So from sharing point of view, it's very important, and we can actually learn together and make an experience. So you can tell that because I still see that just before you came in. So Bimal had a starting trouble. Technically, he wants to get into training. It's as good as he's starting his new venture, right? And basically he wants to get into training industry. So when you are actually looking at this, because you are also a business owner, how exactly you started using it? Let's hear from you actually.
So means first I have thought who will be my customers, end users. So suppose doctors, medical field. In medical field, there are doctors and pharmacy owners and like big corporate hospitals. I have my own tours and travels company, so I have bifurcated on it. And in the same way, actually, I'm also designing thought of designing an app so that all the users will be able to see my app. So in that way, I have categorized means how to develop an app and means app will be developed by someone else, but the thing is that how to approach the customers and how the customers should know about my app and what are the areas that so that the people get to know about my app. So I'm thinking in that way, and what are the ways to promote my app. So I'm just bifurcating like promotion and features of the app. What should it be in the app? So in that way, I'm the trees are growing in the mind map. So the branches I'm able to grow just because of this mind map. So in that way, it is helping me out.
Very nice. So basically, you're building a very, very robust plan with how you're actually approaching the step by step. You're able to enhance it now, right? As compared to earlier one.
Yes, very much.
Very nice. So you're able to use the mobile app that I've suggested, and you're able to do that, right? It is. Was that really handy actually using the mobile app?
In fact, actually, like still the mobile app is in development stage. I have not yet. But what are the features and how to approach in the market? What are the different categories, and in each category, what are the subcategories? I'm able to find it out, because earlier, I used to just think, अच्छा ये customer को मिलना है, that's it. But each category के customer में और कितने customers हैं, सब categories कितने हैं? So in that way, I'm able to bifurcate. So it is helping me in that way, and it's very helpful.
Very nice. So basically, what I meant was you're using Simple Mind app to do this now, right? Or you're writing it? Yeah. Okay. So fantastic. Thank you for sharing, Anand. So Bimal, if you can understand what exactly Anand was telling, right? So basically, he's talking about figuring it out. Who are the customers he wants to reach? Which are the target segments and everything. So first and foremost thing, before we actually look at starting with the mind map, so let's understand a few basic concepts which will help you to actually overcome some of these blockages. Okay. So the first and foremost thing is that in mind map, whatever is coming in your brain only you're going to write. You're not going to write something new actually, something different. And each one of us are unique, and we have been gifted with a fantastic, racing car, Ferrari car that each one of us are carrying, right? So now the way is that you got to improve your driving skills, and to build this driving skills, it takes time, So any time that you are actually want to work on any project, it gets created twice. One on the paper, other one in the real world. On the paper is something like if you want to construct a house, you will write it on the paper. That is basically you do the planning, and you give that planning to the person who is constructing the house, and that he will construct according to the plan. He will not use his brain. Now the key is to construct the plan is the key actually, right? If you get your planning wrong, your whole house gets wrongly constructed, and tomorrow you cannot say that, okay, I don't like the door in this east, you replace it with west, or I don't like this wall, can you replace it in a different direction? So what is the cost of repairing that, right? So it's very important to get your planning right. Now when you start using the mind map, the planning will become right, because you're not going to emotionally think that, okay, I will do it today, and then you will start doing it, because you're going to give some time for it to evolve in a very beautiful fashion, and you're going to do it in an incremental fashion. So have you attended the session where I have suggested to use the Simple Mind mobile app?
Yes, sir.
You have attended? Do you have that installed in your machine, in your laptop, or in your mobile?
No, not yet, sir.
Okay, so install it. That's the first and foremost thing. So now we'll do it on a paper, because you don't have it installed. So let's do it on a paper, and then same thing you got to implement it actually on the app, because concept is same. Whether you want to do it on paper and app, because app, you will take some time to get used to it. We should not be.
So, sir, tell me one thing. Is it better on the laptop or cell phone?
See, I use both actually. See, what happens if I have to do any editing, I would prefer doing it on a laptop. But if I have to do it runtime, I would prefer it in doing it on my mobile, because I will be carrying mobile all the time, right?
Right.
So I don't need, because idea can come anytime. So what happens is I always use a mobile, even so many times people will keep coming and telling, I don't have time and other stuff. So many of this time, it's not that we don't have time, it's that we waste the time. Maybe you're waiting for someone, right?
Actually.
So waiting for a few minutes, let's say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that is really wasting the time. So instead of simply calling somebody and talking, for a sake of time pass, you use that 15 minutes and open your mind map on your mobile and start constructing whatever idea you're getting. You just have to dump. You don't need to worry that it is right or wrong. That's the beauty of it. Okay, because filtering, you're going to do it later. Now the first thing what you're going to do is, now what I'll do is, there are two approaches that we can take. Okay, I can go step by step, or that is one thing. That means I can give you a fish. Our second technique is, I'll teach you how to fish. Which one you want?
How to fish.
Right. That's like a great thing, good wish, right? Because when the opportunity comes, you should know what to ask. Otherwise,
actually,
otherwise you will have the opportunity, but you will ask the wrong thing. What is the point, right? Now,
and
if I have to teach you how to fish, that means I'm going to ask you a series of questions. If you can actually make note of these questions and repeat it every time, so you're going to get a structured approach of getting the things done every single time. Instructions clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Sanjay sir, Sanjay ji, so we're going to do an exercise. The same exercise, because do you have any specific need? Then we will pick on that. Otherwise, what Bimal wants to do is, he wants to do an exercise of, he's quit this job. He wants to start a new venture. Technically, it's a new venture. And for that new venture, how he should get started is what we are going to talk about. So I will be talking in terms of the process, and anything specifically you want, I will include it when we are talking.
Yes, sir.
We can take this as an exercise.
Yeah, this will be an exercise, and this is applicable for any idea. Okay, need not be business idea, anything that you want to get started. So first and foremost thing, how do you write the mind map, Bimal?
Center, we have to draw this thing, circle.
Okay, I've drawn it. Next.
And now we have to start with the branches.
Okay, I've drawn the branches. Yeah.
And then if, the branches have more sub branches, and things like that.
Okay. So we'll do that. So now the first one is, what do you do in the center actually?
Center is the theme of my business, the name or the subject, whatever it is.
So in this case, what is your theme?
Mine is online spoken English classes and communication mastery.
You have to pick one topic.
Okay. Online spoken English.
Okay, because we got to focus. One of the important thing about mind map is it will give you the focus. If you club too many things, you will get it, but again, then you got to again further classify it. But rather, if you can pick one topic, the process remains the same. You can do the same thing for other one also. So first you got to narrow down. How do you narrow down out of all those things? Which one is the most highest priority? The one you're going to pick it. Okay. So repeat the same thing. You will do it for that also, but it's all about priority. Okay. Now, online spoken English is the topic that you have taken. Now, as I told you, anything that you construct, it happens, creation happens twice. One in your mind, actually that is what gets converted to plan, other one in the actual thing. Now, the thoughts what comes in your mind are very random. Okay, those are all unstructured way. Okay, because there's just too many things that is coming through and too many things that is walking around. So you'll not be able to get the best out of it. But if you can put a filter, that filter is called focus. If you can focus that, then what brain will start doing is, instead of throwing you with millions of thoughts to you, it will start throwing you the thoughts which are relevant to this filter. Now what we did is, by putting this on the paper and putting a one specific topic, you are filtering your brain. You are redirecting your brain. You send me all the ideas, thoughts which are related only to this specific topic. Okay, understood the basic thing? Now, for first and foremost thing is, don't worry, don't complicate anything. It's as simple as that. Now the focus is the key. Now by writing it on the center, you have actually represented it. And we are using a blank paper. Why blank paper? Few things I'll again repeat so that all of you understand the importance of it, right? Why blank paper? Because blank paper represents abundance. So when you're writing it on a blank paper, on a radial thing, this should be used in a blank space. Okay, it should be used in a blank, horizontal way, landscape, always. So when you write it in a landscape or in a horizontal manner, you have a higher, more space that is available for you to increment your ideas, because ideas will not come in one go. It will come in different sets. So now online spoken English. Now you got to ask, what are the first few thoughts that are coming in your brain? You have to write. You need not have to worry whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, if you will actually fail in this exercise if you start thinking whether correct or wrong. The idea is not to think correct or wrong. The idea is to dump what you have in your brain. Understood the objective?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, so let's pick the same thing. Okay, both for Bimalji and Sanjayji, we'll do the same exercise so that we are in the same, we are in the same synchronization. This is applicable for any topic. Okay, so we are starting with paper, and I would strongly suggest, even though you're starting on paper, install the Simple Mind app. So I'm going to mute you, all of you. There is some disturbance. So whenever you want, you can unmute and talk. Okay. So the idea is that I strongly suggest, even though you do it on paper, you transfer this to a Simple Mind mobile app on your mobile. The reason is, this is a skeleton that you have got, but if you want to enhance it, the idea can come anytime. So better you have it in your mobile, so you can keep on enhancing these ideas. Okay. So now when I'm talking about online spoken English, what are the topics that you can think through? What are the things that is coming to your mind?
Okay, so see, first of all, I have to make a complete course curriculum.
Okay, course. Fine.
Yeah. Then I have to identify my customers.
Customer, okay. I'll do one thing. This is how you will write it, but I'll actually write it on our software so that it is easy for me to type. Okay, otherwise it will take longer time. I'll do it in Iowa so that okay. Yeah. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're talking about online English course. Okay. So you want a course curriculum.
That's right.
Next.
I missed it. I missed the initial part because of the network. Okay. What is the project? What is the project objective?
The project objective is that we are going to, Bimal is starting his new venture.
Okay.
The new venture is he wants to teach English, online English course actually. So he wants to get started. He wants to get started now, and he has no clue to start with. How do we get started? So we are doing an initial exercise with whatever the thoughts he's coming to his mind. We are dumping it first, and then we are going to structure this around. And this is true for any exercise that we're going to do. Okay, yeah. So online curriculum, you will identify who are the target audience. Okay, then
Right. And then I have to, in that course curriculum, then I need to decide that, for how many days I have to make that course.
Okay.
Because the courses also I can make different actually, courses, some short term, some long term, and I have to decide the duration and at the same time the pricing for that.
Okay.
And how do I market my course and get the customers? So marketing, because nowadays digital marketing is actually the main thing. So it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, it can be WhatsApp. So I need to actually identify the platforms where I would be able to sell the maximum and which can get me the maximum returns at very low expenses. So these are some of the main things that I can think of.
Okay, fantastic. So now what you are actually looking out is that, okay, these are the things you have short term, long term, and also pricing and marketing are the ones. So when you go to short term and long term, one is the days, the other one is what exactly you're going to cover. Okay, in short term, what is covered? What exactly is covered?
Short term, it can be probably just focusing on the spoken English and and then the basics related to the parts of the speech, verbs and nouns, pronouns, adverbs, adjectives, and those kind of the things. And long term, probably I can actually I can give them a complete training as to how they can improve their pronunciation, enunciation, and the rate of speech, and how to actually speak by removing their mother tongue influence and with a neutral accent or maybe an American accent. And I can actually share the insights into all those things and help them get a job also in the BPOs.
Okay.
I think because this course is online English course, online means it will be for the entire country, but the focus will have to be on Hindi speaking states because there's always a requirement of these states that they want to learn English.
That's right. So whoever wants to learn English from me, because actually, one major thing why I came out with this idea was because I used to take interviews in my company, and most of the people who got rejected were not because of the hard skills, but because of the soft skills. They were not able to speak English properly. They were not able to communicate. So yeah, so that was one reason why I thought of this, and definitely I can help them with my knowledge and expertise. And the long-term course can definitely involve all these things, and definitely public speaking and then communication mastery. It can be actually communication not only over speaking, it can be over the emails and how to make the CVs and how to crack the interviews.
Okay.
I think if this course is on English subject, then the entire marketing has to be done in vernacular. It has to be done either in Hindi or in the local dialect, because otherwise, how do you express to the target audience that what is the course content?
Yeah, that's also a good idea. And at the same time, sir, Sanjay sir, thanks for the suggestion. However, at the same time, I've seen a lot of people who have very good degrees and certificates and all that, but they know English, but they don't know how to speak English. So that is why they get rejected in the interviews, because they have the they have worked up everything and all those kind of the things in English, but when it comes to conveying something in English, they really can't do that. So yeah.
Okay. So I think multiple factors are there. I think it's also a good suggestion which Sanjay sir told. So
Definitely.
one sector is that we talk about from the direct, which you said, people have gone through this training but they don't know how to speak actually. The other one is definitely on the lines that people don't know but they want to learn English. That's a very big market, but you got to
Definitely.
narrow it down actually. How
Definitely.
do you narrow it down? Next one, how do you build the focus?
So narrow it down by coming out with ads in Hindi in the on digital platforms.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a very good suggestion.
Next.
No, because if you have traveled by train anytime, you would see a lot of writing on the wall. 10 दिन में अंग्रेजी सीखें ऐसे करके, there will be a lot of ads and
yeah, in fact, even Kapil Dev has advertised for Epidex in his early days, because there was a time he did not know English. Then when he became popular, then he learned English, and Rapidex, they actually made him the brand ambassador.
That's good actually. Okay, so I think that's good. Now you got to figure out of this where
and
you
then I can come out with some ebooks, and when it comes to actually marketing, so I can give that as a freebie, maybe a small ebook, and then make more ebooks for which I can charge, and I can start selling those books.
You can give few of them as a free initial days,
Yeah.
and then you can actually make it a paid one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, now you choose out of all these things, which part you are not clear or you need more help. Probably there some of them you can actually do it on yourself, but there may be something, you can take the, help of the experience you have. We have Sanjay sir, who is an experienced person. We can also suggest you on few things. So now out of all
one more suggestion could be, the way we have karaoke, people sing along. Similarly, there would be scrollies where it will be written and then people will try and read it out so that their pronunciation improves. Imagine, no, it won't be a good example, but then like the way Sonia Gandhi is given a speech to read out. So maybe it is written in Italian or it is written in English, and when she speaks it, it looks as if she is speaking in Hindi.
So what is the keyword that you used?
Speak along. Reading the subtitles and trying to speak along.
Yeah. Okay. So that is one thing you can. Okay, reading the subtitle. Speak along. Okay. So like a karaoke. Okay, done. So now, what else is actually missing now?
So here initially, I would need more clarity on for the duration part, for the short term and the long term, what should be the uh, duration for that and the pricing.
See, what do you think, according to you, is the duration that people can listen to you initially?
Now, actually, I was doing some research and I saw that people are coming up with a 5-day WhatsApp course. So probably I can start with that just to give them a teaser or something, and they can also experience what kind of the training would be available to them. So I can probably charge them a very bare minimum, maybe 99 rupees or 100 rupees or 200 rupees for that. And then pitch in for longer duration course. Then in that also I can probably make 3 types of courses. One is this 5-day WhatsApp course, then one short term and one long term. And the short term probably can be say around 45 to 90 days, and long term can be say around 6 months or something. And these are my thoughts. You people also please suggest if I'm thinking on the right terms or not.
Short term, how long you are saying? 5 days, huh?
That is the trial course, 5-day WhatsApp course, and short term can be probably say around 45 days to 90 days.
So I think that since it is an online course and on a digital platform, it can be customized, because every person in a class, there could be 10 students. All of them will not be on the same level. They could be on different level. And then you can customize this course and then price it accordingly also.
Yeah.
It is something like, giving them a test to check what is their current competency level, and then tell them that, okay, from this level, I'll take you to X level, from X, I'll take you to Y, and it will cost you so much.
Proficiency level.
So,
yeah, because and people are willing to pay because
yes,
depending on the proficiency, if they can speak a very good English, their life can change, right? Not only in the job, it can be in business. If they, many times, they get their visa rejected because of that. So, and if they're going through the visa and then they're actually getting it, it's lifelong. So why not? So probably you can have, in long term, probably you can customize that. You can focus only people who wants to travel abroad, because if you want to, if you want to look at a premium charging, right? So all other things is fine, short term and things. If you want to actually look at more than short term and long term, that is fine, okay. But how do you make real money? Real money is when it comes with the customization, as Sanjay sir is telling, right? These are all premium actually. You want to sell this on a premium one. Who are the people who will pay premium for your English course? Are the people who are willing to travel abroad. And if you can focus your premium training on those people, then you have a very big actually funnel that you can build in for the premium one. You will have an amazing amount that you can make it. So you can still actually give all this training at a throwaway cost, all of them, let them get benefited, and then you can look at how exactly the long term that can be looked at, and make the premium one. And premium one, you need not have to have 100 people actually. You just need to have few handful people who can work with you, maybe 20-30 people also. You can just focus on them and start building on them to start with. As it goes, the number will go actually. So what I want you to actually really look at it See, building the business is okay. It's good thing. Okay. And then you can make money in many different ways. See, with all these things coming up, right? So it should not happen that after a few years you feel that, okay, I have made the money, I felt that it is success, and now I'm not feeling that, that happiness that I'm actually looking at, right? So that is why we did that vision mapping exercise, and that in 1-day workshop we have actually broken down that step by step. How do you want your personal life to be? What is your dream life to be like? What time you want to wake up? How much time you want to spend with your family and everything? And it's very, very good for you because you are getting started, right? You are starting a fresh venture. You just left the job. You're starting the new one. It is complete, new thing for you. Okay. Because you're building it from the scratch, I would strongly suggest build in the way that you want your dream job, dream life to be. Okay. So if you can incorporate that from the day one onwards, I'll tell you, you will have a fantastic journey and you will really enjoy it. I'm so glad that you told that you have left the job. So I know that you're starting as a day one, right? And I'm going to send you
Yes,
that
sir.
recording. You have to watch the entire day. Okay. The entire day.
Sure, sir.
And go through the step-by-step process. And with what you have told now, I want you to connect with your social vision, how exactly you can do it. Okay. And then that could be a very fantastic things to give back to the society, right? Probably I'll give you some nuggets, golden nuggets, that when you start doing, you can start thinking that, right? So you want to give this WhatsApp codes, which is you're doing it for 99 or 199 rupees, whatever it is, right? Maybe some portion of this, maybe a part of that you're doing it, that could be, you could be doing it free for the people who are underprivileged, who cannot afford to spend that kind of money actually, right? And you're going to dedicate certain amount of time only to work on this. It is not that when somebody approaches you, you will help them. No, you are going to go and find out them who are really in need of these things, and then you're going to help them out.
I already have that in mind, sir.
Okay,
because
nice.
definitely, a lot of times what happens is because of the money constraint, people cannot go through these trainings and all that.
Correct.
So I already thought of that. But then my only question was, sir, how do I identify who is in dire need, and because of the money constraints or the financial constraints and not? So how do I identify that?
Ask them the question, why do they want to learn? If their why is strong, you'll figure out. This is the same thing, I also ask, why do you want to do this? You could be doing, if you are actually in a job, you could be working between 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, and you can come out and then relax, right? Why did you leave that job? Why do you want to do this?
Actually, it's definitely because of the strong calling of the social this thing also. Because I saw people struggling that even after taking a lot of certifications and degrees and all that, they don't get a good job because of this reason that they don't have good communication skills. So I definitely want to make money, because if I don't make money, then I can't help the others. So definitely I want to help a lot of people, and at the same time make them successful because of whatever actually the knowledge and the expertise I have. And I want to help people, and at the same time charge for them bare minimum of whatever actually they can. And for those people who cannot at all, I would definitely like to help them out and make sure they are successful. And probably someday if they feel or they can pay me. So pay as you can or something like that.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely. Why not? You have taken the benefit.
Yeah. So what I was thinking is when I get the leads, so probably those who don't enroll, so I can talk to them personally and check why they are not actually enrolling for my courses. And if finance is the constraint, so I can help them out.
Yeah, absolutely. So put your that thing in a center of thing. Basically your intention should be health, and then making money, I'm telling you, there are 100 ways of making money. So you need not have to do it in this way, but if you're doing it in this way, that means you have to put that your intention should be to help. Money will come as a byproduct, and when your intention is to help, you will go all the way, you will break all the barrier to help them out. So that is where they get the success, and when they get the success, then they don't mind paying you because they're successful because of you, right? Now if you are, that is how you generate the value. So put your whomever is there as a customers as the primary focus, and focus on helping. All other things will become naturally coming to you.
Like finding a job, overseas job,
Yeah.
and then where the requirement is that you must have a good spoken English. Then so you are trying to help that person finding a job of his, and supposedly he is interested in going abroad and doing a job, then you are trying to help him out. It's a social vision.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, if you have to go to America or any European country or Australia, Canada, so you have to clear that IELTS. So that is the main thing. And in that also, these 4 things are main: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So yeah, and most of the people, they flunk in that and they actually pay a very good amount to clear those exams, because ultimately everybody wants to go abroad, whoever is passionate about it.
Correct. So segment it and build your mind maps according to this. Now you got a basic thing, that came out. That's a skeleton. But imagine we all hardly spend, 45 minutes. Just we, sit together and we put the thoughts. And this is what came out actually, So now all you got to do is you got to expand each one of them, how you want to take it, how you want to, keep on expanding. I'll tell you, next couple of days, you will have a solid blueprint that will come out. So this will accelerate your...
How do we...
thing. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So how do we price it, sir? What is your suggestion?
Pricing is a very, very difficult subject. First, you work on other things. You already got your 5-day WhatsApp course with ₹99. You start with that. Remaining thing you'll come to know next. So as you proceed, your next step will be unveiled to you. Don't expect to have everything clear before you start. That's the biggest mistake that we do. Start with what you got. Next step, the universe will unveil you. You will get, that's why I'm saying intention is so important. Connect, go through that whole day exercise, listen to each and every part, follow the exercise, and create a solid plan where you will be very, very fulfilled after you do this. You will be helping the people, you'll be making money, and meantime you will also spend enough time for your health and with your family. So everything you can structure it around. Okay, fine. Definitely. Super. Okay, anything else, any other question you have? I will pass on this mind map to you. I'll put it in the group so you can just take it and start with. Okay. Yeah, Sanjay sir, any other question? I think something network issue with Sanjay sir. Okay. So Bimal, was that helpful? Whatever exercise that we did?
Definitely, sir.
Okay. Cool, super. And I'm happy that you actually, whatever time you spent here, it was very useful. And take that and build this across. And again, I'm telling you, you're starting from scratch. It's a good opportunity for you to build the dream life the way you want. Okay. And do it in the right way, and you'll enjoy it. Okay. So you want to create a big community of givers. So when you create a big community of givers, one is one part, but other one is also not everybody. If they can't give the money, they can give the education. They can help the people. they can connect the right kind of people. All those things are possible. Okay, so let's build that as a part of this, core community value that we are building. Okay, thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Bye. And also, just to tell you all,
sir, please,
just to inform all of you, every first Saturday of the month, we are going to have this one-day workshop. Okay, that's absolutely free, and you can actually call any of your friends and whomever you want them to be successful and they're really struggling with their life and other stuff. There are a lot of deeper things that needs to be worked on that they will not be knowing directly. So if you can actually figure that out, get them there, and that will be really, really helpful for them. Okay, fine, sure. Okay, thank you. And Shweta, we are just finishing.
Sir, please share these two things.
Yeah. Okay,
please share
sure.
These two things. One is this mind map and the recording that you.
I will do that.
Said earlier.
Sure. Okay, then. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
and
much.
We are closing this. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
I'll share the recording.
Bye.
Shweta.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.